Welcome, here I've got Honor 8A and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see here we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner, and when we tap on this we get access to the camera settings. As you can see here we have the capture settings, and in the first position we have the assistive grid. So by tapping on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works, and for now I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it looks like on the photo view. And let's go back to the camera, and as you can see these are these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. And of course when we want to turn it off we go back to these settings here in the right corner, tap on this again, and as you can see for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and tip the thumbs up.